think I'd rather you just wash the dishes and shut up!
Planning an event is the main course on the menu. Introducing Rick's Catering. We take visitors out of any occasion. Birthdays, weddings, business lunches, you name it, we cater it. Fresh, delicious food, beautifully presented, delivered straight to your door. No more grocery shopping, no more cooking, just pure enjoyment. Rick's Catering. They save the day and my sad Rick's Catering because every event deserves a 5-star feel. Rick's Catering is located in Purok Melaton, Poblacion San Miguel, Zamboanga del Sur. And for more inquiries, just call and text 0970 4481 475 or you may visit in our Facebook page, Rick's Catering. This logo is all about the Rick's Catering. It embodies the essence of quality, creativity, and passion for food through a harmonious blend of colors and symbols. The logo represents the company's commitment to excellence and culinary expertise. The colors white, yellow, brown, and red play a significant role in conveying the brand's identity and values. Symbolism of colors in the logo. First, white. So the color white symbolizes the purity, cleanliness, and professionalism. In Rick's Catering logo, the white represents the company's commitment to using fresh, high-quality ingredients and maintaining impeccable standards in the food for preparations and services. And second, the yellow. Yellow is associated with energy, positivity, and creativity. In the logo of Rick's Catering, yellow signifies the vibrant and dynamic nature of Rick's Catering, showcasing the company's innovative and approach to culinary creations and customer services. Third, brown. The brown color in the Rick's Catering's logo, it conveys warmth, comfort, and reliability. In the logo, brown reflects the hearty and comforting nature of the food served by Rick's Catering, emphasizing the company's focus on delicious, homely dishes that evoke a sense of familiarity and satisfaction. Next, we have red. Red is a color of passion, energy, and commitment, and also excitement. In the logo, red symbolizes the intense flavors, bold choices, and culinary flair that define Rick's Catering's menu offerings. It represents company's dedication to delivering memorable dining experiences and creating dishes that leave a lasting impression on customers.